I want to show you a technique for hostas called rossizing. Many hostas only want to produce one plant each year and they get bigger and bigger, but to make them double in size, you really want to get pups on them. So I'm going to show you how to do that. When the pip first comes up in the spring, take a razor blade or a sharp knife and come straight down on the pip and cut halfway down till you get, there's a basal plate just under there. You'll feel it's a little bit hard and cut through it. And then make another one the other way. So you've made an X or a cross right in the top of it, okay? Then by splitting that basal plate, you'll get a pup to come off of each one of them. You'll get 4. And then you can divide those and move them if you want to, or just let it be a bigger hosta.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.